welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun flip through for you. So the lovely folks over at ColorIt asked if they could send me 2 of their new release books, and today I'm going to show you one of them, and keep an eye out for a video coming very soon with their Halloween one. This one will be fun. It comes out at the end of September, but keep an eye out for the video. So this is from ColorIt, and it's the Colors of the Circus. If you're not familiar with ColorIt, they are pricier books, but they are incredibly well made. So they have the spiral binding at the top so that you can just flip open your books. So that's nice. It's actually really good paper. You can put water on it if you wanted to. I mean, it's not made like of watercolor paper by any means, but these do take pretty heavy mediums. But yeah, so this is Colors of the Circus. It was released on September 2nd, and I'm gonna flip through and show it to you. So, might have to adjust my camera. Alright, so here is the title page. This is book number 42. They always have perforated edges, which I think are awesome, because then I can pull this out and, you know, tape it down if I'm going to use a water medium. And they're always single-sided, so you can use marker. Alright, so this just says who it's illustrated and edited by, and of course you can color that page. Second one here is just kind of a fun little thing, you know, come one, come all, the circus is in town. If you are a member of their book club, you'll get exclusive designs, discounts on books and mediums, because they do have like gel pens, water brush pens, quite a few things actually. And then this just gives you some tips. So this is actually your blotter page. All ColorIt books come with a blotter page, and it tells you up here, but basically this is what you would tear out and put behind all your pages. Okay, so here is the welcome or the title page. And it's a thicker cardstock. Don't ask me to put a number on it. I can look and see. They're usually good about putting that on their website or Amazon description. Ooh, that would be a fun one. Yeah, so there's 50 designs in here. Again, they can be expensive. Oh, cute. But it's because of what you're getting here. So, I mean, you're getting perforated edges, spiral bound, good cardstock. They don't go cheap on their printing at all, which is always appreciated. But I've seen plenty of people do water mediums. Oh man, if I could do that in real life. It's a really fun one though. Ooh, I like this one. It has a little mandala behind it too. Oh, I like that one as well. It's beautiful. I will be coloring in these too on the channel, so let me know if there's a page that stands out. Oh, I love how this has a mandala in the background. Let me know if there's a page that stands out that you would like to see me color. I'll either do a color in chat or a, you know, tutorial or a full-length color along. Ooh, that's cool. Those contortionists. Ooh, I like that one. That one's pretty too. I mean, the clown is kind of clown. I like that. Oh, I like that one. Great design. Circus! Just get that feeling from the hands. That's cool. Ooh, I got some pages stuck together. Ooh, this would be fun just for patterns, just to unwind and do a little Zentangle. Very cool. I like how there's a few Zentangle and pattern. Now see, this is Camellia Angel Cova I had mentioned with like her themed mandalas. I felt they weren't very mandala-ish. This is kind of how I had hoped hers would be. a definite mandala with something in the middle. Like this would be fun to do with gel pens because, well, I like to use gel pens. And just remember, they're all single-sided, so you can use markers and whatnot. And these do take water mediums pretty well. I like this one. But yeah, let me know if there's a page you'd like to see me like do some tutorials out of. Full-length color along, I don't mind. Or I'll just do a color and chat. I've actually thought about implementing some more color and chats. Just hang out and color. Oh, I like that. That one's cute. All the kids running in. That's actually really adorable. I do like how they have a few landscape ones. And it's great because the binding is out of the way. That's awesome. Ooh, I like this one. That would be a fun one. That one's good too, actually. There's some really good ones in here. Oh, this could be really fun in marker with some pencil, like the flames and everything. Oh yes, that one as well. Oh, I like this one. This would be a good one for markers. And I think because of how thick it is, I don't think you would get a lot of bleeding. Whereas like with Create Space type paper, you get some bleed through or bleeding out of the lines. It's awesome. That could be a fun one too. And then the end, and these are thick covers as well. So there's a reason these cost more, but it's an awesome book, and you can always scan them too. Like if you really want to do it on marker paper, you can scan it and put it on like some hammer mill, which is honestly, might as well be Express It blending card. It feels exactly the same. But yeah, so this is Colors of the Circus by ColorIt. It is their latest edition. It did come out on the 2nd of this month, so I am going to leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out on Amazon. And a special thank you to the team at ColorIt for selecting me and sending me this book to show. I thought that was really sweet and generous of them. And yeah, guys, and until next time, take care.